So today I'm going to be replacing the drive shaft and the flex disc, so I'll be able to drive it today. It won't take that long. I already have the exhaust taken out and the drive shaft taken out, so I'm just going to pretty much bolt those back in. Not going to put the exhaust on until I drive it around, so it's going to be loud because it's just straight headers, but I just want to make sure everything's like good before I bolt the whole exhaust back on. But I'll get down below the car and I'll show you how this is going to go. So see you down there. So this is pretty much the whole exhaust right there. Muffler next to the cat goes to the header. This is the old drive shaft. It's taken apart right now. It's taken in half. That connects to the front. This connects to the back. This is the new one. Front, back. And then what connects to that is this, which is the flex disc. This is the old one, completely torn up, just destroyed. This is the new one. Basically what it does, it goes on top of that, and 3 bolts go into there, and then 3 bolts go into the other side. So it won't take that long, but hopefully we can get it driving. Alright, so I'm under the car right now. That is where this end of the drive shaft will bolt into. And then I have to slide it through here all the way down to the other end. And then that's where it connects for the final flex disc and then the bolts. So I'll come back when I got everything all bolted up. Alright, so I already got that bolted up. And I gotta go to the center bearing, which is right there, and bolt that up, so that's next. There, it's all bolted in. It's kind of a pain to get to. You gotta get back there, but everything's all good. Replacing this fan. The one right in there right now, it doesn't even have the blades. It's like completely broken all the way down. So I'm just gonna replace it real quick. Bolts are out. There we go. Here's the old one. Fan blades, nothing on it. Here's the newish / used one. But yeah, this will work. Wasn't too bad. I was gonna put these grills in. Bought it from a guy for like 10 bucks, but I didn't realize that this is not the facelift version, so it's not gonna fit. Not gonna fit. But you know, that's fine. Whatever. Hit me up if you want it. I'm gonna try and install these new gauge cluster that I got. This one doesn't work. It only has only shows the warning lights. Nothing else works. No tag, no speedometer. And I got it unscrewed, but I just can't get it out because the steering wheel's in the way. So I'm gonna drop the car down, see if I can turn the wheel a little bit, and maybe it'll come out. If not, I'm gonna have to take the steering wheel off. But right now I'm gonna drop the car down and then go from there, I guess. So after adjusting the steering wheel, I already turned the car off, but there's like no way I'm gonna be able to get this off and at least get the other one back in either. So there's no steering wheel adjustments on the E36 for the US models either. So I'm just gonna have to take the steering wheel off and then go from there. Probably, yeah, that's the only way I can do it. So I've got the airbag out and center bolt out. Got it marked in the middle. It's like super dirty. It's gonna be kind of difficult to do this with one hand, but let me put it down for a second. Okay. So there is the steering column. Steering wheel's out, and this should literally just slide right out now. Yeah, okay, perfect. And I just gotta unclip those, and then I'll be able to replace it. So, gauge cluster is out. Well, that's one. And there it is. Let's see. So it's got most of the bulbs. These are all like the individual bulbs for each light, so you can take them out, put them in, whatever. So I'm gonna have to do some swapping. Pretty much any of them that are missing on this one, I'm just gonna put in from here. So I'll be back and I'll put it back in and then let you guys know. I got the new one in. Just check and see. Okay, that looks a lot better than it did before. Let me see if the turn signals work. Okay, yeah. I mean, for the most part, everything looks like it's working, which is good. So what I'm gonna do for now, just until I drive around, is leave the airbag off, and then probably just put, well, I have to put the center bolt in, and leave the gauge cluster not screwed in all the way, just so I can see all the lights, see what I need to fix or whatever. So I'll do that in a little bit. All right. It's gonna be loud. Oh, I stalled it. All right, first drive. Sideways, let's do it sideways.